everybody, welcome to my Easyvsl review. I'm going to show you inside of Easyvsl and share with you my honest opinion about this software that is getting a lot of attention these days. Is it worth it? Let's jump right in to find out. Alright everybody, so we're inside of the Easyvsl dashboard now. And as you can see here, I have one video created, and this video is going to be used as part of this review video. So what I did is I purchased the product. I went through the tutorial videos. Not many videos, but they are very easy to understand, straight to the point. One of the videos I watched twice just to make sure I understood everything, but really not complicated. Of course, everything requires practice, right? So I just started, so I'm not a pro, but I can see that that the software is pretty simple to use. So if I was able to just watch the tutorials and create my first video in less than it took me about 5 minutes to create this video, so I'm happy about it. Okay, so this, let me show you a little bit quickly here. Okay, so once you decide you're going to create a new video, it gives you two options here and two options here. Okay, so you can start from scratch, meaning everything you're going to create slide by slide inside of the dashboard, or you can start with a text. Okay, so the first video that I created, I used the kinetic style. Let me show you what it looks like inside. So let's just say that we're going to start from scratch. So these are the templates that they offer, really cool templates. If you can just hover and you can see the kind of movement that these slides are going to do. This is the one that I used for my video. And there are several options here. Really cool templates that you can use. Now, what I don't like about this, okay, so this is a very honest review, okay, and I'm gonna tell you what it is. One thing that I like that these slides are fun. Let's go over one here so you can see. Okay, so they're fun slides, bright colors, very cool, but the only thing is the space to write it's small. Okay, so while I have room on top and the bottom, there is a limit of characters that I can enter per slide. So just to keep that in mind, okay? And it comes with 3 different colors here. I can add additional slides, and it is very good, very easy to use. But like I said, there is the limitation of the size, the number of characters that you can use per slide. Okay, so that's the downside of this. Besides that, everything is great. Okay, so now let's go back to the dashboard. No, I don't want to save it. Okay, so let's now create a new VSL using a text, and I want to show you what the classic style looks like. So let's just go here, classic style. Let's just go right here. And also they have several templates here that you can use. I like these templates. And for example, this one that is color, you can change the color, pick the color you like. This one is gradient. You can also pick different ones. Let's go down, see what else. Yep, very good. And here I like this one. Let's just use the iPad. So what you do is you mark what you want, move to next. And I wrote a small text here just to use. So I did a text document right here, very small. So we're going to use this text to make a video using Easyvsl Classic. You see how easy and how fast we can create a video using the software. Okay, so let's go copy. Let's just copy. Let's paste it here. And that's it. Okay, so it's ready to use. So these marks here are the marks that are going to break the slides. Okay, so my first slide is going to come to here, second slide here, third slide, fourth slide. And this is because it's in the automatic here, so it marked automatically. Let's go next. So here it gives me all the slides that I'm going to be making. So I have 4 slides. And one thing that you need to know is add slide here. You can do it here. Pass by this, you can't really create additional slides or change the text once you get to a certain point. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, so here you see the text. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I don't like the way it looks here. Let's see if we can adjust. Maybe I can adjust. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, yep, okay. Move here. Okay, so we can actually do. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this with, let me see, the same thing here. I'm just going to make it smaller so it fits inside the iPad, so it's easier to read for the person to read what I'm writing, right? We're going to use, okay, and I'm going to do this with all the slides, and I'll be back in a second, okay? Okay, so it took me 2 minutes to adjust the text, and I also made a modification. I changed the color so just to give more life to the video. And now let's go to the next one. So this is the spot where I actually add the audio. So to add the audio, I'm not going to do it because I'm recording this video is going to do an echo. I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to add my voice and then publish, and you can watch the video right now, okay? We are going to use this text to make a video using Easyvsl Classic. You see how easy and how fast we can create a video using this software. Okay everyone, so you were able to see the video after it was done, and it took about 5 minutes, no, a little bit more than that, to make that video, but in general it was very easy to do. You did most of it with me, and then just I inserted the voice and published it. So one thing that I have to say is it took a little longer than I expected to publish the videos, and the same thing happened to the first video that I had created. I imagined that would be very fast, but it's not. It took maybe about 10 minutes to publish. It could be because I asked for high quality video, or it could also be because of my network here in my home. But what I thought was it's a short video, it's going to publish quickly, it take a few minutes. But that's about it. Everything else I think it's very positive. It's an easy to use software, as you could see, make very cool videos, and it's affordable, so I think it's a good option. I'm gonna leave a link to Easyvsl in the description of the video. If you think that this video software is for you and you decide to purchase, and you go through my link in the description of this video, it comes Easyvsl is going to come with several bonuses that I'm going to be adding, and are going to go directly to your dashboard. Okay. Alright guys, so thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm also always adding new videos for you guys. Be safe, be good, and I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye-bye.